ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Three Shabda we have seen in the last class. Karantaha, Strilingaha, Stri Shabdaha, sorry, Tri Shabdaha. Pullinga we will see later. I will add Pullinga, insert Pullinga Shabda. Three. In the last class we saw Three and Chatur, Repanta Shabdaha, Chatur Shabdaha, Striyam, Jyotagitam, Three Shabdaha, Tata Chatur Shabdaha. Three Chaturoho, Vibhakti Pratyhe Pare, Vibhakto Parataha, Tistru, Chatasru Adesho Bhavataha iti. So any Vibhakti Pratyaya follows Three and Chatur. Striyam Jyotagitam. The Three and Chatur denoting Trilinga will be replaced by Tisra and Chatasra. Even in a compound also. That is in the last class I introduced the compound, Priyatri. And we saw another, the next sutra, 7-2. This is 7-2-99, Tri Chaturoho. And 7-200 is Ajadi Vakti Pratyaye Pare. After the replacement, so 7-200 implies the application of 7-99. After replacing 3 and Chatur by Tisra and Chatasra, then when Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya follows, Rataha Rakarasya Sthane Repadesha Bhavati. So Repadesham Rutva R will be replaced by Repa. When Rikara is replaced by Repa, we know. So Rikara is replaced by Repa. It is something like N, but not N. N is 6177, that is Sandhi, but this is Angakarya. 7-2. Angasya Adhikari Vartate. So even though the Adesha is Repa, but this being Angakarya, so not Sandhi, therefore 72100 is applied. Chirarataha. These two are important. Here we saw one Vartikam also. This Vartika. Num achira trijvad bhavebhyaha nut pratishedena. Here in Chaturthi, sorry, in Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, 3 plus am. Rasvanadya for Nutagama will come in 3. Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare, 3 will be replaced by Tisra, and that to Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya. Now, Tisra is the Rikaranta. Now it is Rikaranta Anga. Rasvaha, therefore Rasvanadya Ponut will apply. If it applies, it is no more Ajadi. Then Ru cannot be replaced by Repa. Rasvanadya Ponut is 7154. And this is 7200. Which one will apply? The question will come. By the general rule, we know general Sutra Paribhasha, that Pratishede Param Karyam, Parasutrasya Eva Prasakti Bhavati. But by this Vartika, when Num is ordered by Ikoachi Bhakto, Repadesha by Achi Raritaha, and Tridvaj Bhavaha in the case of Karoshtuhu, then Nut is ordained by Rasvanadya Ponut. So, even though Nut is 7154, we have seen it comes Purvam, but this must be applied to all this. It must be applied to in relation to Num ordained by Ikochi Bhakto, Repa Desha by Achira Rataha. That is what we are interested. So Num, it is Asvanadya Nut that will prevail. So therefore it is this Vartika is negates the Parakarya. Mitratishide Param Karyam. So therefore Nut Krutva Nam comes. Therefore, Ru will not be replaced by Repa now. It is no more Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya. Therefore, Tisrana and Nattum happens. This is important to be noted, this Vartika. Why this Vartika important? Because it is sort of apavada to the Sutra Paribhasha with Pratishede Param Karyam. So, Paras Sutrasya Prasaktike na bhavati Purva Sutrasya Prasakti Purva Sutra will apply. So, Parasutra, which is supposed to be applied, is dismissed by this Vartika. By that, Purva Sutra is applied. Rasvanadya Pornut. And we know the form Tisrana. So, therefore, Rasvanadya Pornut is applied. Then Nami Pare, Angasya, that Arkarasya, Digatam Bhavati. No, that is the very next Sutra negates. Not Tisra Chatasra 644. Negates. So, that's how we get Tisrana. Similarly, Chaturna. And in the case of a compound, what will happen? That we have to see. In the case of a compound. So, okay, now let us see. Did you go through the document? Did you see the 3 Shabda in a compound? Yes.
Sorry, I could not go through.
I know, Shanti.
Okay, it will be little confusing. I tried to give all the possibilities. Okay, anyway, let us see. See, now the treatment of 3 in a compound. So, for example, you see here, here itself, and the example is given. Asmin Sutra, this from here you see, Asmin Sutra, in this Sutra, Asmin Sutra Nirdishtam Stritam Stri Shabdasya Chatur Shabdasya Asti Angasya na, very important. It is the Stritam in the Sutra is there. This in the Sutra, Tri Chaturoho Striyam Tisra Chatasraha 7 to 99. That Sutra applies. The Sutra applies for the Shabda, 3 Shabda, Chatur Shabda, Natu Angasya. Means not for the compound, not for the entire the anga, that is not for the word having the Uttarapada 3. So therefore only 3. So only 3 shabda if it is. 3 Chaturohos Triyam. At least Triyam is important in the Sutra. 7 to 99. 3 Chaturohos Triyam. Triyam Dyotagitum. 3 Chaturoho Stane Tisra Chatasrade Shau Bhavataha. So therefore, Angasya na Kevalam 3 Shabdasya Stane Tisra Adeshaha Chatur Shabdasya Stane Chatasra Adeshaha Bhavati. So what therefore, even if it is a compound, doesn't matter. Compound may be of any gender. But if the Uttarapada, the 3 Shabda denotes a Strilinga, then the 3 must be replaced by Tisra. Chatur must be replaced by Chatasra. When Vibhakti Pratyaya follows. Of course, when Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya follows, Ru will be replaced by Repa. So ityukte samasta padasya vishaye. That's what is important. Compound. Samasta padasya vishaye anena sutrena nirdishtaha adeshaha tada eva bhavati. Tada yada 3 shabdasya chaturdash shabdasya va stritvam vivakshate. When 3 shabda or chatur shabda, when it denotes Strilinga, Vaksha is Strilinga, then only this, then this apply. Not for the entire samasa. Entire samasa could be any gender. Could be Pullinga, could be Strilinga, could be Napumsakalinga. Therefore, that could be any gender, doesn't matter. But if 3 Shabda, Chatur Shabda, not Strilinga, then this will apply. Yata, for example, Priyaha, Tisraha, Lalanaha, Yasyasaha. So, this is a Bhurigi compound. The compound denotes the Pullinga. But in the compound, the Uttarapadam, Tisraha denotes Strilinga. Therefore, Tisra Shabda, therefore 3 Shabda denotes Strilinga, Stritum Dyotagitum. Therefore, when you form a compound, now Priya is Purvapada, 3 is Priya is Purvapada, 3 is Uttarapada. So we know Priyaha, Priya plus just, similarly 3 plus just, forming a compound. So you know what happens when you form a compound. Priya plus just. Then 3. Sorry, 3 plus just, not 3. Supodhatu Pratipadikyo look. Tadida Samasascha Pratipadikam Bhavati. So therefore you will have Priya and 3. Priya and 3. So now this is Priya 3. Compound is Priya 3. Denotes Pullinga. But 3 denotes Strilinga. Therefore Priya 3 Shabda. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Priya 3 Shabda. When you declare, because the compound denotes Saha, Yasya Saha. So therefore, when you decline, it should be Ikarantaha Pullingaha Priyatri Shabdaha. Now Priyatri plus Su. Priyatri Pullinga Shabda should be declined like Adi Shabda. But here, what will happen? Because 3 Shabda is Strilinga and Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare 7 to 99 will apply. That will replace 3 by Tisru. So Priyat Tisru. Now it is what ending? Rikaranta ending. And Rikaranta ending followed by Su, what will happen? Rit Ushanas Vambat Purodam so Anekhasamcha, by that get Anang Adeshaha, right? Like how we did Pitru. Pitra become Pita. Rakarantasya, Rakara, Sarnasthane Pratyaya Pare, Rakarantasya, Angasya, Antima Varnasya, Alontyasya Paribhashaya, Anang
Anangade.
Adeshaha, Nitvat Antyadeshaha. Right? So now we get An. Anang Adesha, content is An. So this R is replaced by An. I hope you remember 7194, right? Priyate
Yes.
San.
Yeah,
Now what
yes,
will
sir.
happen? Saranamasthane Pratyaya Pare. Now this is Nakaranta, like Rajan. Priyate San, it will become, right? Saranamasthane Cha Asambuddhau. Now after that, what will happen? This Sakara will become Lopaha Alnyabhyaha Dirgha Sutisya Prutamal Priyate San Rajan Alopaha Pradipadikantasya. Priyate San. This is Pratama Vibhakti. You see. If you are declined like Hari, then Priyatrihi will be the Rupam. But that is not the Rupam. Why? Because 3 is in the compound, 3 is Strilinga, right?
Yeah, Srilinga.
Suppose if it is not Strilinga, if it is Pullinga, then it will be like Arishabda. Understand? It is not Strilinga, it is not Strilinga, it is not Pullinga. If it is Napumsakalinga, then it will be like Napumsakalinga, Uttarapada. I mean, in the compound, what are the not declension, of course, declension depends on the linga of the samasta pada. Okay, so therefore, I'm just telling the possibility. The whole compound, whatever may be the linga. See, now we are taking an example of pullinga. Suppose the whole compound is trilinga, then also 3 will be replaced with Tisru. The whole compound is suppose is Napumsakalinga, then also 3 will be replaced with Tisru because 3 is trilinga. Suppose the whole compound is Pullinga, that 3 is not Strilinga. Then it will be like
Pullinga.
Arishabda. Understand? Priyatrihi, Priyatri, Arihi, Ari, Areha, you can do. 3 is not Strilinga, the whole compound is Strilinga. Then you can decline like Matishabda, Karantaha, right? This 3 is not Strilinga, the whole compound is Napumsakalinga, then you can decline like Varishabda. Understand? So all the possibilities are right. That's what we discussed. That's what we are going to discuss. I've written in this. They are not discussed. Only they have discussed that 3 as the Strilinga, what will happen. But other possibilities we can discuss just for our understanding. Similarly for Chaturshabda. Chaturshabda I have not done. I ordered you to do it. You just see for yourself. Okay, this is what we are going to discuss. So now, for this word, Priyatri, which is a Pullinga Shabda, the compound is Pullinga. And 3 Shabda is Strilinga. Therefore, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Priyatisa. Similarly, other forms. We are going to do that. Okay. Then you get Priya.
Excuse me. That then in the first step, just we have written, no? So the here it says Pratama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, this thing, no? This one. If it is first one means one means we have to write.
It cannot be one because
Bahuvachanam.
the compound, if you see, the
Three is
Priyaha Tisraha.
Nitya Bahuvachanam only we have to write.
It is Nitya because if it is 2, then it will not be 3. It will be Dvi. If it is 1, it will be Eka, right? That is a question of it is because it is more than 2, therefore 3. Understand?
Okay.
Here it's not more than, in fact, it is exactly 3. Priyaha Tisraha, Bharyaha Yasyasaha, Dasharataha. It's got 3 wives, right?
Okay. So getting Pratipadika, we have to write this in just only, but afterwards we can add this Supratyaya and Priyatri plus Prathama.
Yeah.
Okay.
Forming a compound, whatever is the words are the Priyaha Tisraha, there one, that's a general step, no? That where Supratyas are dropped.
Okay.
Then you get a new word. In fact, this is a new
Compound.
Pratipadikam, right?
Yeah.
So now with that, you have to decline.
Okay. Okay.
And the declension of this depends on the gender of the three Shabda. That is the point. Okay.
Okay. ji,
Generally it is not, right? Generally,
Ah,
Bahuvirgi compound, the gender of the Bahuvirgi compound depends on what it denotes. Bahuvirgi generally would be Visheshana, right?
okay.
The Visheshana to the Visheshya. But here, see, if the Visheshya is Pullinga, for example, even for example, Palam Shabda, because Visheshya is, Visheshya is Srilinga, therefore Pala Shabda will be declined like, even though it is Pala is Napumsakalinga, but it is Uttarapada, it will be declined like Pullinga. For example, Nishpalaha, Nirgataha, Nirgatam Palam Yasmat, but Yasmat Saha, denoting the Pullinga, therefore Nishpalaha it will become. Nishpala is a compound.
Okay.
When you add Su just then like Rama Shabda. But this is here in this case, it is not like that. It depends on the gender of the three Shabda. Understand?
Okay. ji, got it.
So Priyatisaro, Priyatisaraha, we will do that, all these forms. Adini Rupani Bhavanti. Now taking that to be now you see, Trayaha what gender? Priyaha, Trayaha, taking the three Shabda to be Pullinga. Trayaha is Pullinga Rupam, right?
Yeah.
So Priyaha, Trayaha, Yasyaha sa. The whole compound now denotes a Strilinga, and where the three Shabda denotes
Pullinga Shabda. Trayaha is Pullinga, but whole compound is Strilinga.
So now what will happen? Now again here also the compound is Priya3 only, the same steps, right? The same steps. Priya plus just, then 3 plus just, we get Priya3, right? So tell me, how do you decline this?
Like Hari.
Like Hari. That's it. Because, not like Mati, because Trilinga, right? You can say Mati.
Mati.
Ikarantaha Mati Shabdavat. So Priya3, Priya3, Priyatrayaha, right? Because 3 Shabda is not Strilinga. 3 Shabda is not Strilinga. The compound, even though compound denotes Strilinga, right? Therefore, the 3 will not be replaced by this. It will be declined like Mati Shabda. So therefore, you get forms like this. Same thing with regard to Napumsakalinga also. Therefore, we have different possibilities. That is what is going to be discussed. 3 Shabda we have just seen already. So I'm just leaving that. We'll go to the compound now. Treatment of 3 Shabda in a compound. You see the possibility. First, you understand this because this may confuse. Priya plus 3. Here, the Uttarapada 3 is Strilinga, right?
Yeah.
Compound is Priya plus, Priya plus 3. The whole compound is Pullinga. First possibility. Therefore, Priya 3 is Ikarantaha Pullingaha, Priya 3 Shabdaha, where 3 is Strilinga. Therefore, it will be replaced by this. Second possibility, Priya 3, the whole compound is Strilinga, and 3 also Strilinga. There are also 3 will be replaced with this. Now, third thing, the compound is Napumsakalinga, and the 3 is Strilinga. Right? Therefore, here also 3 will be replaced by this. So these are the 3 possibilities where 3 will be replaced by this. Whatever may be the gender of the compound, Samastapada. Second one, Priya plus 3. Here 3 is Pullinga. Now let us take the Samastapada, the compound, the Linga of the Samastapada is Pullinga. And the 3 Shabda also Pullinga. Therefore, you can decline like Hari Shabda. Priyatrihi, Priyatri, Priyatrayaha. And Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam that we'll discuss. Okay. That's why I've written specifically. Then the next Yeah.
Three is Srilinga.
What is
Three
that?
Shabda is. Oh, gee. Three Shabda is Strilinga Shabda, right?
Always Strilinga. Is it so? Don't you have
Oh.
declension in? No. What is the question?
The three Shabda, three Shabda is
Hmm.
Strilinga Shabda or no? So far we were using this Strilinga Shabda only.
Yeah, but here
Yes.
it is. Here the three Shabda is Pullinga. Priyaha, Tisraha, Yasya, Saha.
Tisraha
Yeah.
means Pullinga. Tisraha is Pullinga. Three is Strilinga.
Please follow the discussion. No, I'm not. Here I take the compound. Second possibility is taking the compound to be the gender Pullinga, where the Uttarapada 3 is Pullinga. What will happen? That's what we are saying. Don't follow. 3 Shabda can be in any gender.
Yeah.
First discussion is taking 3 Shabda to be Strilinga. Discuss the 3 possibilities. Samasta Padam, whatever may be the gender of the Samasta Padam. If 3 Shabda is Strilinga, then 3 will be replaced with Tisra. That is A. Second is B, where the Samasta Padam, again here could be Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, whatever may be. Here we take 3 Shabda to be Pullinga, what will happen? That's what we are saying. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, the next possibility, 3 will be Napumsakalinga. That's why I gave the compound. Priyaha, Tisraha, Yasyasaha. Priyaha, Trayaha, Yasyasaha. The next here will be Priyaha, Tisraha, Yasyasaha. The Vigraha Vakya would be. And Napumsakalinga, Savastapada is Napumsakalinga, Priyani, Trini, Yasyatat. Where the 3, in all the 3 cases, 3. The 3 is Pullinga, and second thing is the C. C that is third one. The 3 is Napumsakalinga. That we will see. First, let us see this. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. So here. In fact, I have written about, okay, Vigraha Vakya, we'll see. I don't want to load more. This here, add that Vigraha Vakya, load this page with more information. It's coming. So here, taking 3 Shabda to be Pullinga. Then compound is Priya 3, that will be declined like Arishabda. And of course, Shashti Bhagavachan Priya Trayanam, that is for all the 3. We'll see that how it comes. And next one, Savastapada, if you take to be Strilinga, and 3 Shabda being a Pullinga. Now here the compound, the Vigraha Vakya of the compound would be Priyaha, and 3 Shabda is Pullinga. Priyaha, Trayaha, Yasyaha, Sa. Priya 3, you get. Then Priya 3 is now Mati Shabda. So Mati, Matayaha, you get form. If we take Priya 3, the compound to be Napumsakalinga, where the Uttarapada 3 is Pullinga, Priyani, Trini, Yasya Tat. Here Priya 3 would be like the what Shabda, Vari Shabda, Vari Varini, Varini, Priyatri, Priyatrini, Priyatrini, Priyatri, Su goes away, Subha Napumsakat, look, Napumsakalinga. Then Priyatri plus Au will be replaced by E, she is nothing but E. Iko Achi Bhakto, by that Numakama comes, I hope you remember, Vari Varini, right? And Sarvanamastane Prate Pare, Numakama Sarupada Dirgattam, Varini, so Priyatrini, Rupam. We'll discuss all these things given below. But Vari Varini Varini and all we don't. Ikochi Vakta we applied 7172, right?
Yes, yes.
Then third one, where three shabda take considering three shabda to be Napumsakalinga, Priya plus 3. That's the year I given. Priya Trini, Priyani Trini Yasya Saha. Here Priyaha Trayaha Yasya Saha. Here Priyaha Tisraha Yasya Saha. This is a compound in fact. Okay. So let me write the compound here so that here it's compound are not it's difficult to write here because the samasta padam is given. So depending on SSA, SSA that will come. That's why I've written like this, not writing the compound. But what will be the Vigraha Vakya? Priyaha Tisraha Yasya Saha for Pullinga, Yasyaha Sa Strilinga, Yasya Tat for Napumsakalinga. Okay. That's why I wrote like this. Okay. Now third one. Priya 3, where 3 is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Priya Trini. Therefore, Priyani Trini. Yasya Saha, Yasyaha Sa, Yasya Tat. Now, Priya 3, you get compound. The Samasta Pada, if it is Pullinga, then you decline like Arishabda. Even though 3 is Priyani Trini, Grihani, Yasya Saha. He likes the 3 houses. Okay. Then Priya 3, who? That person, somebody, Pullinga. So, therefore, it is like Arishabdavat. You can decline. Priya 3, Priya 3, Priya Trayaha. Similarly, Priyani Trini Yasyaha Sa, she likes. The one who like, and the who likes is that Rapum Srilinga, Priya 3. Then you decline like Mati Shabda. Priya 3, Priya 3, Priya Trayaha. Now, Priyani Trini Yasya Tat, the one who likes the 3. The 3, the word is Tapumsakalinga. Then here the 3 will be like the 3 is Napumsakalinga, therefore the compound will be like Arishabda, Trishabdavat. Varishabdavat, because the compound is Samastapada, the linga of the compound is Napumsakalinga, therefore Varishabdavat. So here C and B, no difference, same. C and B, there is no difference, right? Because the linga of the Samastapadam, the linga of the compound depends on the linga of the compound depends on the Anya Padam, Bhuvri, right? The linga of the compound Priya 3 depends on the Visheshya. Therefore, Yasya Saha, Yasyaha Sa, Yasya Tat depends on that. B and C, where 3 Shabda, the Uttarapada is not Strilinga. Understand? B is Pullinga and C is, in the C it is Napumsakalinga. Whereas in the A, it is Strilinga. If it is 3 is Strilinga, then the gender of the compound depends, of course, it keeping Visheshya, but the 3 Shabda, Stritvam Dyotayitam Vartate, Ataha, 3 Shabdasya Sthane, Tisra Adesha Bhavati, even though the gender is Pullinga, even though the gender is Napumsakalinga, doesn't matter. Or maybe the gender of the compound. 3 Shabda will be replaced by Tisra. Stritvam Dyotayitam, 3 Shabdasya Sthane, 3 Shabdasya Sthane, Tisra Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, A is important. If you understand A, that is enough. B and C are just extension. That is to make confuse you. Okay, nothing else. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now, this Trayanam is there. That see, Trayanam is. I think I have written here. Or okay, it's going to come. Trayanam in Pullingi. So Trayanam is 3 Shabdasya Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam Pullinga. Pullingi. This sutra is the tres trayaha. Please note this. This also we saw the last class. In the case of Strilinga Shabda, Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana Rupam is Tisrunam. That we saw applying the Vartika, we get Tisrunam. Right? We don't apply, Rasvanadeva Pannut will apply. We don't apply the Repadesha here. Once you get Nutta Hadesha, then becomes Aladi, Vibhakti Pratyaya, therefore Tisr, Shabda Sirkara Sthane Repadesha Nabhavati by the Vartika. Okay, now this is for Strilinga. What about for Pullinga? We have a Sutram, Tres Trayaha, 7153, where this is applied for the masculine forms of Trishabda. It is not said. There is no mention of masculine. We understand how. You see, Tres Trayaha, 7153. Tri Shabdasya, Tri iti etasya, Shashti Bhagavachanasya, Am Pratyaya Pare, Traya iti Adeshaha Bhavati. This is what the Sutram says. Tres Trayaha, Trehe Trayaha. Tri Shabdasya, Stani, that is Stani. What is Adesha? Trayaha. What Linga? Not mentioned. Then how do you take Pullinga? Can take Pullinga, Napumsakalinga. Okay, what other than Strilinga? Not Strilinga. Because three Shabda already 7199, 7100 is there. Right? Therefore, for 7199, 7100 for 7299, 7200 for 3 Shabda. Right?
Yes.
Then this Shabda must be other than Strilinga. That is how we understand. That is why I've written it's applied for masculine forms or neutral forms of 3. Understand?
Yes.
7153. You see the website also, I think yes, not mentioned, but we need to understand. This 7299 and 7200 for Strilinga, therefore Tisranam you get Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Then Tres Trayaha for what purpose is Sutra? 3 Shabdasya Am Pratyaya Pare Trayaha Adesha Bhavati. Now, for example, you are doing Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga, 3 Shabda. Now, 3 plus Am. Will you apply this Sutra, 7153, or will you apply 7299? Which one you will apply? 3 plus Am, Strilinga. 3 is Strilinga Shabda. Which one you will apply? Understand? You understand my question? Huh?
7299.
That also, because that is Parasutra, right? 3 plus Am, where 3 is Strilinga Shabda, Ami Pratyaya Pare, Am is a Vibhakti Pratyaya. Therefore, you have to apply 3 Chaturokos, 3 Tisr, Chatasr. Tisr only will come in the place of 3, not Trayaha. Paratvam will apply, right? Very specifically, Stritvam, Dyotagitum, 3 Shabdasya Sthane, Tisra Adeshaha. Here, then, if you apply for Strilinga, it is fine, Tisra, you get Tisrana. What about for Pullinga and Napumsakalinga? Suppose if you don't apply this sutra, if you apply 7299 itself, then what purpose the sutra is written? It is meaningless, right? The sutra need not be there if you apply for all the linga. Because the sutra is there, right? And that sutra is very specifically for Stritvam Dyotagitum. Please, that word is important. Note that. Yes, Triyam, that's very important. Triyam Dyotagitum 7299. Therefore, the 7153 must be Astriyam, right? Not for the Strilinga. It means Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. That is why Trayanam we get. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sure.
7299 is Triyam very mentioned. Therefore, this must be other than Strilinga. Astrilinga. It means Napumsakalinga and Pullinga. Therefore, 3 Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaye, Ami Pratyaye, Pare, Trayaha Adesha Bhavati. Trayaha is Anekal, therefore Anekal se Sarvasya iti Paribhashaya, Sarvasya Sthane Bhavati. And Traya is now Akaranta Rasvanadhya Ponut will apply. Numahava Nami Pare, Here Nami Pare, please note. Pada Dirgatvam Bhavati. Tisra and Chatasra, when Rikara ending Anga is there, then Dirgatvam na Bhavati. Here it is Akaranta Anga, right? Therefore, Pada Dirgatvam Bhavati. Please note. Tisranam, Chatasranam, where Dirgatvam not there, because na Tisra Chatasra by that Sutra 644, Dirgatvam is negated for Nami Pare, right? Whereas here 3 is replaced by Traya, Pullinga Vikshaya, Napumsakalinga Vikshaya. Therefore, Traya plus Vasvanadya for Nut, Nutagama comes Nami Pare, Dirgattam Bhavati Pada, Dirgattam Trayana. Understand? Now you see the here, Nyatavyam. Bahuvrigi Samase, Yadyapi 3 Shabdaha, Gauna Shabdaha. What does it mean? Apradanaha Asti. Bahuri Samasa, 3 Shabda is Gaunaha. Meaning? What does it mean? Gauna, and all we have seen. Gauna, Pradana, in the beginning of the discussion of Samasa. Gauna meaning
Secondary or
secondary, right? In
Yeah.
Bahuri Samasa, which is Pradhanam, which is Apradhanam, which is Pradhana, which is Gauna.
Anyapadam is Pradhanam.
Therefore, both the Padams are Apradhana only, right?
yeah.
Therefore, 3 Shabda is Gaunaha, Apradhanaha Asti, right? And that happens to be the Uttarapadam. Then, Vartamana Sutrena, Tasyapi Triyaha Adeshaha Jayate. By this sutra, it will get Traya Adesha. Bahuvrigi Samase 3 Shabdaha Apradhanaha Asti. Tathapi, even though it is Apradhana in Bahuri Samasa, Tathapi Vartamana Sutrena Trayaha Adesha Bhavati Yatha Priyatri Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachana would be Priyatrayanam. That is why I have written here in all this you can see. Priyatrayanam. Here I wrote Priyatrayanam. Right? Priyatrayanam. Priyatrayanam. What will happen for here? Here, this for this Shabda, that we will see. We're going to see all the forms. Okay. Is it clear? So 3 will be replaced by Traya for Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. That's what it says. Tres Trayaha. So Priyatrayanam, that is Shashti Vakti Bhagavachana Rupam, where 3 Shabda is not Strilinga. If it is Strilinga, then what will happen? We'll see. The 3 Shabda, which is Gauna, Gaunam, it is Apradhanam in a compound, that will be replaced by Traya when Ami Pare. Therefore we have Priyatrayanam. Priyatrayanam. Everywhere you will see Priyatrayanam. So where the 3 Shabda doesn't denote Strilinga, then it will be replaced by Traya. Whatever may be, I mean, the other, if it is not Strilinga, whether it is the Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, whatever may be replaced by Traya. If it is Strilinga, that will be replaced by Tisra. Okay, that we will see now.
Here, Charanji, Priya Tisranam, Anga for Strilinga.
We'll see that, yes.
There you have written Priya Trayanam.
Where?
Here, there, C point only. Under C point, that Pullinga Strilinga is there, no Charanji. Priya 3. Ati Shabdavat 6-3 is Priya.
Just 3 is, no, where the 3 Shabda is not Strilinga, it is Napumsakalinga, therefore 3 will be replaced by Traya, right? What is the Linga of 3? Tres Trayaha only will apply. 7 to 19 will not apply. Tritvam na dyotayati. 3 shabda, right? Therefore, 3 will be replaced by Traya only. Understand?
Yeah.
Please see within bracket what linga is given.
Yeah.
Because it is Napumsaka linga. So Trayana. Similarly, here it is Pullinga. First, the linga, must you understand this? 3 shabdas linga is written within bracket closer to it. And here the gender is of the compound. Okay.
Mm.
So B and C in both the cases, 3 shabda is not Srilinga. Therefore, Priyatrayana. For B and C. For A, 3 shabda is Strilinga. Therefore, here you will get Priyatisrana. Okay, now we will see. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Priyatri Shabdaha. Now Priyaha Tisraha. Now taking the word, the Uttarapada 3 to be what linga?
Strilinga.
Strilinga, remember. And the gender of the compound, Samastapadasya lingam?
Pullinga. Yes, yes,
Pullinga.
sir. Yes.
That is what we are taking, okay? Right? Okay, I think this part we'll skip. I mean, it's because we're going to discuss elaborately. So I don't want to confuse you yet now. Let us directly here. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Priyatri Shabdaha, where 3 is Strilinga. Therefore, compound, the Vigraha would be Priyaha, Tisraha, right? Yasyasaha, Saka, Priyatisa, right?
Then, sir, Saha will come or Sa will come? Priyaha, Tisraha.
Savastapada, just now I said. Savastapadasya lingam, Kim Nanketa. I asked, you said Pullinga. Now again, yes, Yaga Sa will come. Understand? Huh? Parvati.
Yes, Ji. You're confusing only, Ji.
Adam, I told you before itself, it will be confusing. Be alert. You have to follow step by step. Now, what did I say? 3 shabda is Strilinga. Samasta padasa lingam is, I asked question, you answered also. You said Pullinga.
That is for this thing, Pullinga, I told, but here.
When you Pullinga means Yashasaha only, right? 3 are lovable or loved for whom or by whom? Here, for whom? For whom the 3 are loved or lovable, right? Who is that? Dasharatha, suppose if we take. Pullinga, right? Dasharatha.
But this thing, Priyatisa is there, no?
Don't confuse with the Pratipadika. Pita is there. Pita is Strilinga.
Okay.
Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha, Pita Shabdaha, can we say?
Okay.
Akara, see, this is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam, right? This is not a Pratipadikam. Oh, do you think this is Pratipadikam? Pratipadikam is Priyatri only.
Okay.
Whatever the Pratipadikam is
Same thing
Priyatri.
will be there for all the 3. Priyatri is the Pratipadikam for all
Priyatri
the
is, okay. Is it too much confusing? Huh?
Yes.
But you have to, every word you have to follow, then only you'll be clear. See, point is this very simple. Fine, it's just, you know, these 2 things. One is gender of the word 3.
Okay.
Second thing, gender of the compound. Don't think
Okay.
both have to be same. Here, and that to Bhaguvrigi, not Uttarapada Pradhana, right? Anyapada Pradhana. Depends on the Vishesha. Depends on what it qualifies. Here the qualified, right? Here the what is qualified is a Pullinga. Therefore, Yasyasaha. The qualified is Strilinga, then Yasyahasa. The qualified is Napumsakalinga, Yasyatat. That is the gender of the Samasta Padam. Okay.
Okay.
Gender of the word 3, the Uttarapada, Apradana, Gauna Shabda 3, we take that to be Strilinga. Then only how these two sutras will apply, 7 to 19 and 7 to 100. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. So Priyatri is a Pratipadikam. Whatever may be the
Gender.
whatever may be the gender of the Samastapadam, whatever may be the gender of the 3. All
Okay.
are Ikaranta Shabda only. So Ikarantaha, now I take the gender of the Samastapadam to be Pullinga, therefore only the beginning I written here. Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Priyatri Shabdaha. I know this confusion will be there, that's why I asked you to go through this. Okay. Priyatri. Now. Priyatri you get. Priyatri plus, how do you decline? Just simply you will decline like Hari Shabda, you cannot do it. Priyatri is a compound.
Okay.
Gender of the compound, depending on the Visheshya, here we are taking Sya Saha, therefore Pullinga, Ikaranta Pullingaha. But Priyatri, 3 is there. We have to find out the gender of the word 3, Uttarapada.
Okay.
If it is Strilinga, then 7 to 99, 7 to 100. That will apply. So, under A, the 3 Shabda is Strilinga only. Only the gender of the compound will change. First, we are dealing with Pullinga, is number 1. Number 2, Strilinga. Number 3, Napumsakalinga. That is the gender of the compound. First, we are doing the Pullinga Shabda. Priyatri is Pullinga Shabda. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Priyatri Shabda. You remember the title Pullinga, where the 3 is Strilinga. Now, Su, Priyatri plus Su, Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare, Tisra Desha, and Tranavasana Pratyaya Pare, Ananga Desha. Ananga Desham Kurta, then what will happen? Sarvanamasthane cha Sambuddho, Upada Dirgatvam, and Sakara Gose Algyabhyaha, Priyatisan, then Aropa Padipadikantasya Priyatisa. Now, Dasharatha is Priyatisa.
Oh.
Understand? Don't think Dasharatha is Priyatisa is Sakaranta Srilinga. No. It is.
Yeah, that is.
You cannot go by the ending. That is for the Pratipadikam, not for the Padam. Huh?
Rama.
That Pita is what? Akarantaha. Rikarantaha, right?
Yeah.
Same thing here also.
Okay.
Priyatisa Dasharataha. Can say.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Now, Priyatri plus oh, you tell me step by step. Then only confusion will not be there. Okay. What will be the form? Not difficult. This Priyatri is Karantaha.
Priyatisru plus au. Welcome.
Yes. Because 3 is
Strilinga.
therefore Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare 3 Shabdasya Sthane Tisra Adesha. Right? 3 Chaturoho Striyam Tisra Chatasra. So now Priyatisra plus au. After that, what will happen? Please tell all of you. I mean, anybody. Okay. What will happen?
Apply 7 to 99 and 7 to 100.
7 to 99 already applied. 3 is replaced
Okay,
by
so
this.
next is 7 to 100.
What will happen?
Actually, so that will become
Tisra.
It will be replaced by Repa.
Repa.
Therefore, Priyatisrau, you get. Okay. Priyatisrau. Understand? Priyatisrau. In Srilinga, we don't have Tisrau at all. The 3 Shabda in Srilinga doesn't have Tisra because Dvivachanam itself not that. It is Nitya Bhagavachanam. Therefore, Tisra Bihi we have. So, only the compound, all these are possible, right? 3
Yes.
Shabda as such in Srilinga doesn't have Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam. It is Nitya Bhagavachanantaha.
Yeah.
But compound it is possible, right? Yet 2 Dasharathas, Priyatisrau, Dasharatau, right?
Yeah.
That is possible. Then Priyatri plus just would be
Priyatisru.
Priyatisra. Okay,
Yes,
7 to 99. After that,
Priyatisra.
That Repa is replaced by
56 and
Repa, therefore Priyatisraha, right?
Priyatisraha.
So Priyatisa, Priyatisrau, Priyatisraha. Okay, Pratama Bhakti, we have done successfully. 3 is Strilinga Shabda. Now Priyatri plus
Priyatram.
Tisra. 3 is replaced.
3 is Strilinga. Therefore, replaced by Tisra. Then Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. Don't apply Ami Purva, huh? Cannot
yeah.
apply. What will happen? Ru will be replaced by
Repa.
Repa. Priyatisram.
Priyatisram.
The Shabda is not found. You will not see in website and all the declension. This is, we have to know it and then apply and get it. Okay.
Yes.
Then Priyatisra plus out. Priyatri plus out.
Priyatrisrav. Same like
Priyatisra
that.
plus out. Yeah. Priyatisra. Priyatri plus Shasa.
Same as 1, 3, 1.
Same like 1, 3.
3 is replaced by
Tisra
Tisra.
plus us.
Then
Tisras. Tisra.
Priyatri plus Ta.
Priyatisra.
Repa Priyatrisra.
Priyatri plus Bhyam.
Priyatis.
Something happens. What happens? Nothing happens. Okay. Nothing. The 3 will be replaced by
It is not
Tisra only.
Ajat.
Priyatisra Bhyam. Simple joining. Huh? Only this alone will happen. Nothing else. Priyatisra Bhyam. Then Priya. Then Priyatri plus Nye.
Priyatisre.
Priyatisre.
Priyatisrubhyam.
Tisra Bhyam.
Priyatisrubhyam.
Then Priyatri plus Ngasi.
Priyatrisraha.
Yes. Priyatisraha. Priyatri plus Bhyam.
Priyatisrubhyam.
Priyatri plus Bhyas.
Priyatisrubhyah.
Priyatri plus Ngas.
Priyatisraha.
Good. Then Priyatri plus Os.
Priyatisroho.
Tisroho. Priyatri plus A. What will happen? Will you apply Tres Trayaha? The sutra what we saw 7153? No.
No.
Cannot apply. Therefore, 3 will be replaced by
Tisra.
Tisra. After that,
Tisra plus.
Nuta.
Tisra.
will you apply Nutagama or will you apply 721?
No?
By the Vartika, you have to apply.
Nagyapo.
By the Vartika we saw Pietras, then Nutagama, it is no more Ajari, therefore it is not be replaced by Repa. And Upara Dirgatam also is negated by 644, therefore Priyatrisra, then Nattam Priyatrisranam. Okay. So Priyatrisranam, Nattam happens. Priyatrisranam is a Rupam, when 3 is 3 is Srilinga. If it is not Srilinga, Pretrayana, that is with Tres Trayaha I should. Understand?
Okay.
So Navami will not come here.
Nami will not apply. 3 plus Ni.
Priyatrasi.
Priya?
Tisri.
Priyatisri.
Priyatisri.
3 plus Os.
Same as
Priyatisroho.
3 plus Su.
Tisrishu.
Titrashu.
Priyatris.
Sambodhana would be
Priyatris. One.
Oh, like.
Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare 3 will be replaced by Tisra.
7299.
Gunadesha.
Gunadesha. By what sutra? This is not Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya. Ru is Ru, then Sakara is what will happen?
Like Hari Shabda only, no, sir?
Not Arishabda.
Sakar.
Not Priyatisraha. Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare Ru will be replaced by Repa. But here it is not. What will apply?
Priyatris will come first. Then
Priyatisra 73110. Oh, yes. So that is Rasvasya
Swasya Gunaha.
Gunaha. Oh, that's what you said. You said Kameshwari. Yes. Rasvasya Gunaha will apply. Yes. 73110.
108.
108 or 110? Oh,
will it come here? That is 73108.
108. Okay. The type of 108. Rasvasya Guna will apply. Rasvasya Gunaha is Rasvasya Angasya Sambuddha Upare Gunaha Bhavati. Okay. Yes. Then
The
and
name
here,
Sambuddhehe by that.
here we don't apply. One more point here. 7 to 100 is there. Rutaha Ni Saranamastana Yaho. That is 73110. That will not apply because 3 is replaced by Tisru. And when Ajadi Vikti Pratyaya Pare, the next sutra is Repa is there. Therefore, there is some scope of applying 73110. 73110 we have seen. Remember Pitari and all you get, right? Pitari, Matari. There Guna happens, but here doesn't happen. It's a difference. Please note here. Here you can note this 73110 will not apply. Understand? Please note. Please note that 73110, not 773, right? Rutaha. Ni.
Then
Yeah, 73113.
here we have to change then. That star is there.
Stanayoho. That will not apply. Okay. Then. So here it is 73108. Rasvasya Gunaha. Tisar. Then Raksasya. Yeah, Raksasya will apply. Sakara will go away. Right?
Or Yang Harsva Sambuddhehe by that.
It is not it is not Rasu. It is Arnab.
Okay.
Why don't you apply 61168? Alngyapyam Dirghasuti Sapraktamal. Why should you apply 8 to 24?
Sambuddha, it will not apply. No?
Huh? Sambuddha, it will not apply. Exactly. Please note. Okay, this sometimes you get confused. Why 6168 doesn't apply? It is only for Su. It is only for Pratama Vibhakti. Okay, therefore 8 to 24 Raksasya applies. By that Sakara Silopa Bhavati. Therefore, now Padantarepa will become Visarga Priyatisaha. This is the Rupa. Right?
Okay.
And Dvivachanam will be Priyatisrav and Bhagavachanam Priyatisraha. So 7-3 you can notice when 7 to 100 you have to apply. 7-1, okay. Here. So when you apply 7-3-1-1-0 will not apply. If this applies, then why this sutra is? Everywhere you have to apply the same. Even for Saranamastana you have to apply. Did we apply 7-3-1-1-0 for Saranamastana? No. Same thing applicable for 7-3-7-1 also. Next time. That's why I wrote, you know, but still I wrote this so that we don't miss it. When you study so many sutras, you may get confused. Okay, now let us chant this. Now the Vigraha Vakya is Riyaha, Tisraha, Brahmanyaha, that Brahmani Ikarana Shabda. Asya Brahmanasya Priyatisa Brahmanaha, that person is Priyatisa Brahmanaha. Okay. Priyatisa Dasharataha, you can say. Bharya in this case. Priyaha Bharya Ka Yasya Saha. You can say Priya Bharyaha, that is different, okay. But we are making a compound with the 3 Shabda, Priya and 3 Shabda, not Bharya. Priyatisa means the one who likes the 3. What is the 3? Brahmani. In the case of Dasharatha, Bharya. Okay.
Okay.
Understand this. Vikarantaha, Pullingaha, Priyatri Shabdaha.
Ikarantah Pullingaha Priyatri Shabdaha.
Okay, 1 minute here. In the Kashika here, I think I have written here. I'll show you. You can see here. Priyaha, Tisraha, Brahmanyaha, Yasya Saha, Priyatisa Brahmanaha, Priyatisrav, Priyatisraha. Only Pratama Vibhakti has given. The Kashika 2. 7 to 99. Then Napumsakalinga he has given Priyatisra Brahmana Kulam. Priyatisra, Priyatisrani, Priyatisruni. Okay, here typo is there. Okay. Similarly, Chatasra also is given. Other forms are all not given. We have to do. And there are special shabdas. I mean, they will not give. But compounds and all shabda you will not find. Okay. Only that Kashika one line is there. By that we develop the shabda. Okay. Let us now. Priyatisa, Priyatisrau, Priyatisraha.
Priyatisa,
Priyatisram, Priyatisrau, Priyatisraha.
Priyatisram, Priyatisrau, Priyatisraha.
Priyatisra, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabihi.
Priyatisra,
Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhihi.
Priyatisre, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha.
Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha.
Priyatisraha, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha.
Priyatisraha, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha.
Priyatisraha, Priyatisrogo, Priyatisranam.
Priyatisraha,
Priyatisranam.
Priyatisri, Priyatisroho, Priyatisrushu.
Priyatisri, Priyatisroho, Priyatisrushu.
Priyatisaha, Priyatisrau, Priyatisraha.
Priyatisaha, Priyatisro, Priyatisraha.
Now, next one. Now you see, Priyaha, Trayaha, Asya Brahmanasya, Priyatri Brahmanaha. What is the linga of the Shabda? Samasta Padam? Linga of the Samasta Padam. Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Priyatri Shabdaha. Three Shabdasya Lingam.
Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Then how do you decline? Like what Shabda? Ari Shabda. Right? So Ari Shabda, we don't have to do it, already we have done. Right? So that's same Ari pattern.
But now,
Priyatrihi. Now,
Nam Pratyaya Pare, maybe that change is there.
that is Pullinga, therefore Priyatres Taryaha only applies. That's only Sutra. Tres Taryaha, right? That applies. Okay. Priyatrihi, Priyatri, Priyatrayaha.
Priyatrayaha.
Priyatrim, Priyatri, Priyatreen.
Priyatreen.
So this Shabda doesn't have no relevance at all here. We don't apply 7 to 99 and 7 to 100. Just we are showing the difference. That's it. Okay. It's like Ari Shabda. Priyatrina, Priyatribhyam, Priyatrivihi.
Priyatrina.
Priyatribhyam, Priyatrivihi.
Priyatraye, Priyatribhyam, Priyatribhyaha.
Priyatribhyam, Priyatribhyaha.
Priyatrehe, Priyatribhyam, Priyatribhyaha. Priyatrehe, Priyatrayoho, Priyatrayanam.
Priyatreyoho, Priyatrayanam.
Priyatrau, Priyatrayoho, Priyatrishu.
Priyatrau, Priyatroho, Priyatrishu.
Hare Hari, Priyatre, Priyatri, Priyatrayaha.
He Priyatre, He Priyatri, He Priyatrayaha.
By the Sutram Treyastrayaha, 3 gets Yadesha Traya. Followed by Ami Pratyaya Pare. Therefore, Priyatrayana Rupam. That is what Nyatavyaha in the website is given. Now, Priyani Trini, 3 Shabda is Napumsakalinga. Asya Brahmanasya Priyatrihi Brahmanaha. Samastapadasya Linga is Pullinga. Therefore, Ikarantaha Pullinga only. So, Pullinga we are dealing first. So, Priyatri Shabdaha. Where 3 is not Strilinga. So, therefore, Napumsakalinga. Therefore, how do you decline? Same as Arishabda, as before. Nothing changes, right? Same thing. It is Anyapada Pradhana. Therefore, like Priyatri Shabda. So, we don't have to channel, we did same thing. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. Next one. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Priyatri Shabdaha. Where 3 Shabda is Strilinga. Priyaha, Tisraha, Yasyaha, Sa. Right? Here what
Yes.
will happen? The link Savastapadasya Linga Strilinga. And 3 Shabdasyapi Strilingaha. Therefore, 3 when followed by the Pratyaya will be replaced by Tisra. Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya Pare Repadeshaha. Second step that is. So Priya 3 plus Su, what will happen? Tell me.
Mati Shabdavat.
No. No.
Three is
Not like that.
First, Tisra is
Tisru.
Priya Tisra. Then after that. Priya Tisra, Rikara and Sakara is the Annadesha will come by that Ritaha, Ushalas, Purodans, right? Sranavasthana Pratyaya. See, Matra become Mata. Same thing. Pitra become Pita, Matra become Mata. So, we get Anadesha. After that,
Then
Pada Dirgatvam. Then after that, Algya will apply. Then Priyatisa. Same thing. Same thing you get Priyatisa only. Okay, Priyatisa only you get. Looks similar to Pullinga. That is why they don't give, but just here, because forms are same. Priyatisa. Select Mata, select Priyatisa. Then Priyatri plus Au, it would be?
3 is replaced by Trayaha.
Not Trayaha. Oh, 3 is.
Tisru.
3 is Trilinga. Priyatisra plus Au. Tisrau. Then, and Bhagavachana would be?
Tisru is replaced by
Tisraha. So, you see the Shabda is same as what Shabda?
Mata, Mataro.
Not Mata, Mataru. Mata, Mataru.
Mataro. So same type it is.
Same type. It's all same type. What about 2-1? Priyatisram. Same as what we saw before. Pullinga. Right? Savastapada Pullinga where we start. The same form, right? Priyatisram. It is Priyatisram. Okay. Then after that, Priyatri plus Au. Rupam is Priyatisram. Priyatri plus Shas. What will happen here?
The Nakara will not come here. So
Priyatisra. There also did not come.
Priyatisraha only, no? Same as 1.
Same, Priyatisraha. So don't think it is Matru, that will not come. Okay. Pitra and Matra Shabda difference is there, right? Anyway, we are not doing Ikaranta, it is. Itri replaced and followed by Ajadi Vikti Pratyaya, Repadesha, then join. So Rupam is same, Priyatisra, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhihi, same, Priyatisre, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha, Priyatisraha, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha, Priyatisraha, Priyatisroho, Priyatisu, then Tisranam, same. Yes. Priyat Sri, Priyat Sroho, Priyat Srishu, Ye Priyat Tisaha, Ye Priyat Srau, Ye Priyat Tisaha. When what is the difference? Why do we do this? No difference. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Priyatri Shabdaha. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Priyatri Shabdaha. Both are Ikaranta, right? But and also three also happens to be Tritam Devotaitam Strilinga. The Rupam will be same. Understand?
Yes.
That is why Kashikagara will not give all those things, will not repeat. He has given pulling exam. You have to understand. Priyatisa Brahmanaha or Priyatisa, whatever it's some Strilinga, Visheshya. Same Rupa. But what will happen? Okay, this is already we have chanted. What will happen if it is Priyaha, Trayaha, Yasyaha, Sa. Now Ikarantaha. What Shabda? Ikarantaha, Strilingaha. Priyatri Shabdaha, where three Shabda is Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Therefore, Tisra will not apply, right?
Yeah.
So if it doesn't apply, then Priyatri Shabda will be like what Shabda? Mati
Mati
Shabda.
Shabda.
In the case of Pullinga, it is Hari Shabda. In the case of Strilinga, like Mati Shabda. So therefore, how do you decline Mati Shabda? Okay, understand. Mati, Mati, Mateha, same way.
Yeah.
And you will have
Nit
two forms, right?
pratyaya, two forms.
Mati is
Gisanya and Nadi Sanya both will be there.
so those things will apply, right?
Yeah.
So you will have two forms, all those things will be there. Matye, Mataye, Matyaha, Matehe, Matya, Matau, right? You will chant this. These forms will be there. Okay.
Sir,
Understand?
okay.
Yeah.
நான் பிரியத்ரின்னு இருக்கு சதித்யா விபக்தியில மதி சப்தத்துல வராது
வந்து மதி மதி தானே
இல்ல பகுவச்சன பிரியத்ரின்னு
மதின் மதின் தானே மதி மதி மதேஹ மதி மதி மதிஹி ரைட் ஓகே
யா மதி
எஸ் ரைட்
ஓகே
and this one minute that period 3. Okay, I will ask one question. We have seen because Mati Shabda came, we are discussing now. That's what that yes, the top that Gisanya later. Now Priyatri Shabda, is it does it enjoy Nadi Sanya?
Oh, no, because it is not Nityas Strilinga Shabda.
It is not Nitya, it is not Nitya Strilinga, right? Therefore,
On the two forms will not come, I think. Sir. Only Gisanya is there.
It's like a samasa padam, you said something, Moja. Ganapati.
yeah, so if it is Savasta Padam, right? Yeah, but we have seen the whatever may be Savasta Padam, Giti Rasvascha, we did know Giti Rasvascha.
Oh, correct.
Giti Pratyaya Pare Rasvasyapi Rasvasya
Nadi Sanya.
Nadi Sanya Bhavati. Vikalpena, that is why two forms are there. That use Triyakyo Nadi, that na iyang uvang stano astri. Iyang uvang stano astri, that iyang adesha, uvang adesha will not apply for
Stri Shabda.
na iyang uvang stano astri, that iyang adesha, uvang adesha, which generally comes when Ajadi Vikti Pratyaya Pare, right? 677. We saw that here it doesn't apply because when Pratyaya follows, it is replaced by Tisru. It becomes Ikara is no more Ikara. It becomes Rikara. So So therefore, there is no question of this applying Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya that Yang Uvang Adesha, because Yang will come on in the place of E. Uvang only will come in the place of U, right? Where is E and U here? Even though Pratipadikam is E, that E becomes, in the case of Tisra, I'm saying, okay, it's replaced by Tisra. If 3 is Strilinga, it is replaced by Tisra. So therefore, there is no scope of applying that Yang Uvang Adesha. Okay. Now here, Priyatri is a compound, Samastapada. So, and Tri Shabda is Pullinga, therefore, that doesn't, this Gauna, Apradana doesn't matter. Samastapada Lingam only we have to see. So, Priyatri. It is not Nitya Srilinga. It is not Nitya Srilinga. Therefore, the question comes, if it is not Nitya Srilinga, will it enjoy Nadi Singya? Will it enjoy Nadi Singya?
No.
I've seen if it is, that is 146. Let us see. 146. Giti Rasvascha. Priyatri is Ikaranta Shabda. Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Pari Yang Uvang Adesha can come, right? Yang Uvang Adesha. Stri Shabdam Varjayitva Anya Ikarantaha Ukarantaha Yang Staninaha Vang Staninaha Nitya Srilinga Shabdaha Tata Rasva Ikaranta Ukarantaha Nitya Srilingaha Nit Pratyaya Pare Vikalpena Nadi Sanyakaha Bhavanti. So here one footnote was there. Suddenly I remember that. Okay. Here na 1 minute. Sanya. Here or where? Let me do the next one. Next one, Sheshaka ki Asaki. Rasva Ikaranta Pullingaha Napumsakalinga Shabdaha ki Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Rasva Ikaranta Ukaranta Srilinga Shabdaha Agit Pratyaya Pare ki Sanyakaha Nityam. Rasva Ikarantaha Ukarantaha Srilinga Shabdaha Gi Sanya Tadaya Bhavati Tadayada Nadi Sanya Na Bhavati. So Mati plus Ni. One minute. Here, Yang Uvang Stano. We saw in a word, Bhagushreyasi. Shri iti ayam dirgha nitya srilingaha. Yus triyakya naditi nadi sanya vidiyate. Parantu ayam shabdaha dhatu jaha. Nityarana ajari vakti pratyanga adesha bhavati. Okay, then Bhagushreyasi was discussed here. So Shri iti ikaranta pullinga shabdasya adisanyam praptayam vartamana sutrera nishidyate. Okay.
Bahushreyasi iti samasa nadi sanyakasya ikara.
Here we will have two forms. Okay. See here, the condition for Nadi Sanya is Nitya Strilinga Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda gets Nadi Sanya. Right? Nitya Strilinga. Suppose Mati Shabda is Nitya Srilinga, right? Okay. Suppose if you say Moda Matihi. Moda Matihi. How do you decline the Shabda Moda Matihi? Moda Matihi is a compound, okay?
Yeah.
Moda Matihi, I take it as a Pullinga. Yasya Saha.
Harisha.
Moda Matihi, Yasya Saha is a compound.
Samastapada is Pullinga.
So therefore, Moda Matihi Yasya Saha is it's Bahuri compound. Therefore, it is like not Mati Shabda, Hari Shabda.
Harishabda.
So Matihi Mati, Harihi Hari Areha we have to do. Moda Matihi Yasya Saha. As we do in that compound Muda Matihi, Muda Dihi and all we have seen, no? Muda Dihi, Muda Panda Buddhihi, Muda Buddhihi. Similarly here, Priyatri is there. The compound is Trilinga, fine. Priyaha, Treha, Yasyaha, Sa. So therefore here,
So we can.
so this being Ikaranta Srilinga Shabda, and the compound being Strilinga, it gets, the compound is Strilinga. Therefore, Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati. See, Nitya Nadi Sanya Nadi Sanyaka Nitya Strilinga Shabda, the Nitya Strilinga Shabda, Ikaranta Ukaranta gets Nadi Sanya. But Giti Rasvascha says, even Giti Rasvascha, that is, even if it is not Dirgha, even if it is Rasva, right? Rasva, Vikalpena Git Pratyaya Pare, Vikalpena Git Pratyaya Pare, Nadi Sanya Bhavati. What Shabda? Rasva Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda, which are Nitya Srilinga Shabda.
Mati
Right?
Shabda.
Nitya Srilinga Shabda, Mati Shabda. Therefore, Mati Shabda, you have two forms. But here, Priyatri is not Nitya Srilinga.
Yeah.
It's a compound. So it is not Nitya Srilinga Shabda. Therefore, it will not have two forms. So you have to decline like Ari Shabda only. We have seen the word Bagushreyasi, right? Somewhere.
Yes.
Bagushreyasi, the compound. It is not Nitya Srilinga. This Bagushreyasi, it is Ikarantaha Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, it will not enjoy Nadi Sanya, something we saw, right? Bagushreyasi, because it is not Nitya Srilinga. Same thing here also. Even though the Priyatri is Srilinga Shabda, but it is not Nitya Srilinga. Therefore, though we write here Mati Shabdavat, it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. It doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, therefore only one form will be there like Hari Shabda. So we have to rule out the Nadi Sanya possibility. So Nadi Sanya will come. Nadi Sanya, when you apply Nadi Sanya, you get Anadhyaha, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, these forms will not be there. I just mark it like this. So I will remove that later. Just to confirm again. I have to just think, then I will remove that. So you will not have two forms. Though I have written Mati Shabda, because Srilinga I have written Mati Shabda. Mati Shabda is Nitya Srilinga Shabda. And it's Rasvaha, therefore Giti Pratyaya Pare Vikalpe Nadi Sanya Bhavati. Though it doesn't get Nadi Sanya by the main sutra, use Triyakya Nadi. Vikalpe Nadi Sanya Bhavati, Giti Pratyaya Pare. Whereas Priyastri is not Nitya Srilinga Shabda, though it is declared like Mati Shabda, but since it is not Adi Sanya, these forms will not come. So I can write Arishabda. If I write Arishabda, then you get confused, right? Arishabda is Pullinga. Mati, then you can say Arishabda. That's why I wrote Mati Shabda.
Mati Shabda, except Nit Pratyaya Pare we can.
That doesn't enjoy Adi Sanya, therefore you will not have these forms. If you remove these forms, then what form? It is like Arishabda only. Already we have seen Arishabda, right? I mean, we have chanted this. So therefore, you can leave this also. So Priyatrihi, Priyatri, Priyatrayaha, Priyatrim, Priyatri. Here it will be that, because it is Srilinga, therefore it will not be replaced. Tasma Chaso Naf Pumsi will not apply.
Yeah.
Therefore, Priyatrihi, here it will come. That is a Mati Shabda. Understand? So,
Yes,
Mati,
dear.
Mati, Mateha, Matim, Mati, Matihi. If it is Ari Shabda, then Areen will come. That's why come Areen. Tasmajaso Napumsi. Here doesn't apply because the whole, the Samasta Padam, the Linga is Sri Linga. Priyatrihi. Then Matina, Priyatrina, Priyatribhyam, Priyatrihi. Matye because of Nadi Sanya. But Nadi Sanya doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. This is not Nitya Sri Linga. So therefore that will not apply. Mataya will apply. That Guna will happen, right? Nit Pratyaya Pare. That Guna happens, then you get Mataya. Guna happens by the Sutra, Ger Giti, right?
Yeah.
So yeah happens. So Priyatraye, Priyatrabhyam, Priyatribhyaha, Priyatrayehe, Priyatrabhyam, Priyatribhyaha, Priyatrayehe, Priyatrayaho, Priyatrayanam. Here also it is, Traya is, 3 is Pullinga, therefore Tres Trayaha applies. Then Priyatrayaho, Priyatrayaho, Priyatrashu. Okay, right? This
So
is good.
Hari Shabdavat except 2, 3 we can write then.
Adi Shabdavat, yeah. But Sri Linga, therefore I don't want to write like that.
Yeah.
Mati Shabdavat,
Okay.
but not Nadi Sanya. It doesn't enjoy. Nadi Sanya na bhavati. Nadi Sanya na bhavati. Why reason is it is not Nitya Sri Linga. That is a condition, right?
Okay.
Okay, I didn't realize that. I just wrote like that, Mati Shabda, but not Nitya Sri Linga. It suddenly came to my mind now. Okay. Anyway, I'll check again. Then the next one. Next one is we are doing Sri Linga, and that 3 Shabda, Sri Linga we have seen, Pullinga we have seen. Napumsakalinga, Priyani Trini Yasya Hasa, Priyatrihi. This is also like what Shabda? Priyatri. Mati Shabda. The entire compound is Sri Linga, right? Therefore Mati Shabda Vatu. And 3 Shabda is not Sri Linga. Therefore will not be replaced by Tisal. Understand? So 7 to 99, 7 to 100 will not apply. Therefore you decline like Mati Shabda. And it is not Nadi Sanya na bhavati. Therefore you will not have 2 forms here also. So here the Shabda Rupa would be same as the previous one. 2 forms will not be there. And here Priyatrihi, Tasma Chasa Pumsi will not apply. Is it clear?
Yes, dear.
So I'm not taking chance for Chatur. Chatur, I leave it to you. You do it, huh? Okay. So you can, how much I will break, how much I will break my head. You break your head for some time, huh? So I leave it to you. Try. Okay, Chatur, I tried. I left when I did only one. After that, okay, you take it as well. These are all just applying our knowledge, whatever we learned, and just trying to see the forms. There is no other interest. Okay, it's all compound. Even Kashikakara doesn't mention all those things. It's not required. Just for us, just for fun. Okay, you try. You just so that you know what mistakes you do. So it's all testing.
Kshamitham Chiranjeev, I have one doubt.
Yes.
This Nitya Strilinga actually applies only for Ikaranta and Ukaranta, isn't it? When it comes to Hrasva, it doesn't really matter whether it is Nitya Strilinga or not, isn't it?
Where is it? This,
Yeah.
146. When 146 applies, it can apply even for words which are not Nitya Strilinga, isn't it?
Example.
I don't have an example.
Rasvaikaranta. You see here, Rasvaikaranta, Ukarantanam, Nitya Srilinga Vachinam Shabdanam, Nadi Sanyayaha Praptayaha. Anena Sutrena Ngit Pratyaya Pare Nadi Sanya Vikalpena Bhavati. Nitya Srilinga Vachinam. Is that right? So the condition it should be Nitya Srilinga.
Even for Hrasvas.
Yeah.
That is why I myself changed. Okay, first I did like Vadishabda.
Right.
Suddenly I realized, oh, it's not Nitya Srilinga. See, Nitya Srilinga Vachinam Ikaranta Ukarantanam Young Ungstainam na young Tirana Nadisanya Nishide Prapte Vartamana Sutrena Yit Pratyaya Pare Saka Nishedaha Vikalpyate Nadisanya Vikalpena Bhavati Yata Shri Bru Di. Okay, that is fine.
So that is
That
for
is
Dirgha.
Dirgha. Next one is second point. Rasvascha. Rasvaikaranta Ukaranta Nitya Srilinga Vachinam Shabdanam. Nadisanya, because it is Rasva, therefore Nadisanya not possible. And Srilinga is Nitya Srilinga. Apraptaya, Nadisanyaya Apraptaya. Anena Sutrena, Vitpratya Nadisanya Vikalpena Bhavati. So the condition is important. Nitya Srilinga. Okay.
For both Hrasva as well as Dirgha.
That's why I remember the Bhagushrayasi. Bhagushrayasi, and even in our document is there. I'd go and find out where we saw it. I'm just searching that. Not able
But that
to.
is Pullinga, sir, only.
It's
The
okay.
Pramana comes
Yeah,
with Strilinga only.
that's okay. Bhagushrayasi. Even in
Yeah, we
Strilinga,
saw
what
in
will
that.
happen?
Oh, okay.
Even in Strilinga, what will happen? Bhagushrayasi.
But Srilinga we have not seen, sir. Bhaushrayasi. Only Pullinga only we thought of.
So this is applicable only for the word which is always Strilinga. If it is declinable in other genders, that we have seen, then it will not enjoy Nadi Sanya. If the word, even though it is Strilinga, but it is subject to decline in other genders in a compound, then it will not enjoy Nadi Sanya. We have seen that. In the website itself, somewhere we saw that. The word which is Srilinga. Okay, where to see that? I'm just searching where to find that. It will not enjoy Nadi Sanya. Okay, 1 minute. I'll show you that. Somewhere that one line was I saw. Under okay. 1 minute. Let us see.
Bhaushrayasi, Pullinga he has given in a website.
No, forget for Bhagushrayasi. This is the word which is subject to declaration other gender will not, is not Nitya Srilinga, therefore will not get, that we have seen, mentioned. Sri Shabdam Varjayita, one line was there, in fact I should, Nitya Srilinga is important. It's not here. I just go one by one. Ami. See, this is one. Asmin Sutre Stri Agyavati Asya Anuvrittihi Asti. अतः केवलं नित्यश्रीलिङ्गवाचिनां शब्दानां विषये एव अस्य सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः अस्ति इति स्मर्तव्यम्. पुल्लिङ्गवाचिनां शब्दानां विषये यद्यपि न यङ् स्त्री इत्यनेन नदीसंज्ञायाः निषेधः भवति, तथापि तस्य निषेधस्य आम् प्रत्ययपरे वर्तमानसूत्रेण, not this one, okay, not this one,
That is for
something similar to that. To find Rasvascha, not that. That line is that we have seen a copied in the notes also. Anena Sutrena, okay, Nitya Srilinga, okay. Yeah, this is a point. Asmin Sutre, Srilinga Vachina Hiti Uktam Asti, Ataha Senani Kalapu Adinam, Pullinga Vachinam, Tatacha Sudi Sulu Adina, Napusalinga Vachinam, Adi Sangyana Bhavati. Asmin Sutre, Nitya Srilinga Hiti Uktam Asti, Swayambhu Gramani iti etadrishaha ye pullinge api santi, strilinge prayoga api asti, rechengeka na bhavanti. Therefore, Swayambhu Gramani, it is, can be declined, it's all Visheshana, can be declined any gender. Therefore, not Nitya Srilinga, pullinge api santi, right?
Yeah.
Therefore, strilinge prayoge tasya nadi sanya na bhavati. So,
Correct.
this is, we are taking this as a pramanam, okay? Then it's
Okay.
You may say this is for Dirgha Ikaranta. No, you can take an extended Rasva also. So condition Nitya Srilinga meaning is it should be only Linga should be Srilinga only. Swayambhu Gramani, Swayambhu already we have seen, declarable in all the genders. Right?
Yeah.
Gramani is Pullinga also. So Therefore, Strilinge api asti prayoge. Strilinga prayoge api, when it is declared in Pullinga, Pullinge api santi, te Strilinga prayoge api. Therefore, it will not enjoy Nadi Sanya. It is not Nitya Strilinga. Therefore, Priyatri is all the genders, right? Even Napumsakalinga also. Therefore, it will not enjoy Nadi Sanya. That's the logic. Is it clear, Ganesh? This is how I take it.
Because I took it as, if it is Hraswa, then Nadi does not apply at all. So whether
Nadi
it's
is-
irrelevant whether it's Nitya Strilinga or not, because
No,
Nadi does not apply at all.
No, Vag Niti Rasvachas that coming that use Triyakyo coming as Anuvritti. Here that use Triyakyo coming as Anuvritti. So three sub okay here. Nitya Srilinga Shabdaha Rasvaikarantaha Ukarantaha, right? See the vritti. Yeah. He has written based on the commentary only, right? So Nitya Srilinga Shabdaha Rasvaikarantaha Ukarantaha. Therefore, Priyastri is not Nitya Srilinga, right? Understand?
Yes, because it can be declined in all the three genders.
Ganesh is convinced, huh? Not yet.
Yes.
Yes.
Because I thought, anyway,
Nitya?
Nitya is an exception to that.
No,
And
Nitya is
therefore
not
there is an
exception.
option.
It
Therefore,
is
there is an option whether it is Nadi or Ji.
No, Nitya is compulsory for this to apply. That is why we have two forms only in Pullinga Rupam, right? No, we have, sorry, Srilinga Rupam. Only in Pullinga we don't have such choice at all. If it you say like that, Nitya Srilinga not required, then
Mati and
the
all is having, no? Mati is a Hrasva Ikaranta, but still that Vikalpena Nadi Sanya.
Yeah, it gets Nadi Sanya Vikalpena because it's
Vikalpena.
Rasvasya. Yeah, you follow that.
Suppose if Nitya Srilinga is not there, not there, then Pullinga Shabda also will become get Nadi Sanya. So this is then Striyakya will be a problem, right? Striyakya that says Nitya Srilinga. That is the word Striyakya. The word is important. That should be Nitya Srilinga. That's why I gave the example of Muda Matihi. Muda Matihi is not Nitya Srilinga. It's a compound. Muda Matihi Yasyaha Sa. Muda Matihi Yasyasaha. So it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya.
Nitya Srilinga.
Not there. Nitya Srilinga not there, I'm saying.
Yeah, it's not there. That's what I mean.
It is not Nitya Srilinga. Therefore, it will not enjoy.
Use
Nadi Sanya.
Nadi or you cannot apply that.
So the Nitya Srilingatvam is very important. Okay, that is the Bhagushrayasi also. Bhagushrayasi, though that is the compound. And Pullinga Bhagushrayasi, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya?
No.
No, it is Pullinga. It is even in Srilinga also Bhagushrayasi is not Nadi Sanya.
Yeah.
Because it is not Nitya Srilinga.
Yeah.
Applying the same logic here.
Yeah.
Priya 3. Therefore, it is not Nadi Sanya Nabhavati. Therefore, one form is out. Right?
Yes.
Okay, next one. Napumsakalinga now. Ikarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Priyatri Shabdaha, where 3 is Strilinga. We are doing Napumsakalinga now. Okay. We have done Pullinga, we have done Strilinga, now we are going to do Pullinga. Please note, the linga of the Samasta Padam is Napumsakalinga.
Okay.
We have done Pullinga, Strilinga, that is Samasta Pada, linga of the Samasta Padam is Pullinga, we have done. Strilinga, we have done. Now we are doing Napumsakalinga. So in the case of Pullinga and Strilinga, 3 Shabda, if you take it as 3 Shabda, Rupam doesn't change. Right? Same Priyatisra, Priyatisra we have seen. Even the other forms also doesn't change. For other, the 3 Shabda, if you take Pullinga, Napumsaka, then also doesn't change. Now Napumsakalinga, that something is there. I mean, because it is Napumsakalinga. So whatever applies, Datra, Datrani, Datrani, that Ikachi Bhaktodal, you did remember. So let us see. Okay, after the class, you have to go through this. Generally, these things will settle. Okay. That's why Chatur Shabda I give you as a homework. Okay. I try. Ikarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Priyatri Shabdaha, Samasta Padasya Lingam, pulling Napumsakalingam, and Tri Shabda is Trilinga. That's why Priyaha, Tisraha, Yasya Tat. How do you get Priyatisra? Priyatri plus Su. What will happen to 3? 3 is Srilinga. Therefore, replace it by Tisra.
Tisra.
After that, what will happen? After that, what will happen? Supratyaya pare. This is not, you cannot replace it by an. Why? Why?
Anangadesha.
It is
It is Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga.
Anangadesha will come. When? No, when it will come?
Oh, okay.
For Pullinga and
Pullinga and
Ritu Ushanas.
Ritu.
Oh.
Supratyaya pare. What is Supratyaya? Supratyaya pare Anangadesha bhavati. Right? Supratyaya pare Anangadesha bhavati. That is Rit Ushanas Purodhams Anegasam cha.
But the Tisra, Priya Tisra is Rutta only, no, sir? Rikaranta.
Rikaranta, yeah.
So Anangadesha will not come. Rudushana
First,
Pura.
It's Napumsakalinga, no? So
Yeah, Napumsakalinga. What is the question? I'm not getting.
No, why?
it cannot.
Why it should not come here? I'm asking.
If it doesn't, how do you decline Dhatri Shabda? How do you decline Kartra Shabda? Kartra, Kartrini, Kartrani, Napumsakalinga. Rit Ushanas is Sarvanamastane Pratyaya pare. So is not Sarvanamastane Pratyaya. Simple. Rit Ushanas, you see, Sarvanamastane coming as Anuvrutti. Sarvanamastane Su Pratyaya pare. Is still Napumsakalinga, Su is not Sarvanamastana. Therefore, it cannot apply. Simple.
Okay.
This is all simple basic Shabda only you have to remember. Kartar, Kartrani, Dhatu, Dhatrani, Dhatrani. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So therefore, what will happen to Su? So you know what will happen. Tasvaha, Enga, no, it becomes Lopaha, right? Sorry, no, sorry. Summa Napumsakat, look.
Somo Napumsakat.
Only if it is A, then it is replaced by Atoham. Here it is Summa Napumsakat, look. Therefore, Priyatisra. Therefore, you get Priyatisra. Priyatisra is Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Priyatri plus Au. Then here it will be Napumsakalinga. Okay.
She
No.
will be replaced by she.
Think Napumsakalinga this is.
Yeah.
So she.
She will come.
Onga,
7-1. Oh, Onga. Yeah.
She.
Napumsakat.
So Ikara.
Napumsakascha Onga. Onga.
See, Aungaga she will come. Provided if it is Tri Shabda is Anapumsakalinga. Here Tri Shabda is Trilinga. Therefore, Stritvam Dyotayitam Stri Shabda Vartate. Therefore, 7 to 19, 7 to 100 will apply or not? Tri Shabda is there. Tri Shabda is Trilinga Shabda.
Yeah, you have to. It's a
Vibhakti
Strilinga, so
Pratyaya pare. You replace 3 by Tisra. Number 1.
Yeah.
Then after that, first you have to do this. After that, you apply. How is there? How is
that is replaced.
That is Samasta Padam is Napumsakalingam.
So here only what we do is that this how is replaced by she. Right? Aungaga she. Now it is Ajari Vakti Pratyaya pare. Then after that, what will happen? Can you replace Re by Repa? Because she is Ajari Vakti Pratyaya pare. Can do, right? Re by Repa.
She is replaced by Ikara, then only it will become.
Yeah, it is E1. It is E only. She is nothing but E. Okay. Lashakatarita you apply, it is Ikara. But what happens?
Napumsaka means you will apply
This is-
Napumsakasya
this is-
Jalashaya.
This is Iganta. Therefore,
Ah.
Iko Achi Vibhaktau, by that sutram,
Oh,
Iko Achi Vibhaktam, by that sutram, it will get Num Agama. So once you have 7172 will apply, Iko Achi Vibhaktau. Iko Achi Vibhakta, remember, like Palam Pale Palani and not that one, sorry. Iko Achi Vibhakta is yes, in for
7172 is Napumsakasya Jalashaya.
Yeah.
next sutra maybe, Iko Achi Vibhakta.
Oh, okay, I'll see.
Iko Achi Vibhakta, it is 7173 maybe.
Yeah, 7173.
So therefore, Dumagama will come. Like Dhatra Dhatrani, I will get. Dhatra Dhatrani, Dhatrani. Then Nakara plus E, Nattam happen. Tisrani, you get. So Priyat Tisrani. See, how do I arrive at form? I take this Kashika Kara's help. He says he has given himself. Otherwise, I would have ended up in doing something, some other form. Here, Kashika Kara says, Priyat Tisra Brahmana Kulam, Priyat Tisrani. Tisrani he says, right? So that becomes a pramana for me to do that. Here, the question may come. Here, Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows. Why don't you apply Ru by Repa 7 to 100? 7 to 100, why don't we apply? Kashika Kara form is given. He has given the form, Tisrani. So I did. Not only that, just see before here. You just, that's all the Vartika. What is the Vartika? The Vartika is only for Rasvanadya Nut. Okay. I'm just showing you that. Just see that Vartika here. What is that Vartika?
Not this, Richard.
Yeah. This is the one. Here, Num Achira Trijvadvavebhyaha Nut. Nut only is Purva Apapada. Vipratisheda Purva Sutrasya. That is only for Nut Agama, not for Num. Right? Iko Achi Vibhakta ordains Num Agama. No, what sutra prevents that? And Num is Antaranga. Right?
Okay.
Num is Antaranga. Therefore, when Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya follows, Igantasya, Angasya, Napumsakasya, right? Num Agama Bhavati. That is what Iko Achi Vibhakta says. Iko Achi Vibhakta, first you have to understand. What is Iko Achi Vibhakta? Antasya, Igantasya Angasya. Igantasya Angasya means Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta, etc. That is why Vari, Varini, Varini, you get.
Okay.
Guru, Guru,
And-
I mean, Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, you get.
And
Datra,
it should be
Datrani,
Napumsakasya.
Datrani. Huh?
And it should be
And it should be
Napumsaka.
Napumsakasya. Then you can apply.
That's what I said. Napumsakasya only.
Ah.
Iko Achi,
So-
then Ajadi, hold on. Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya for Napumsakasya. Igantasya Napumsakasya Angasya. Num Agamaha Bhavati. Num is Antaranga, therefore, that is done. If you say that is 7173, that is, and 7200 is later. Now, this being Num, the Num is Antaranga. So, therefore, being Antaranga, that is applied. Num Agama is Antaranga, that is applied. So this Paribhash, this Vartika, it is only for Nut Agama, not for Num. Num is ordained by Iko Achi Vibhakta. This is the connection. This is what I remember, that's why I come here. When two sutras having Tulya Balam are applied in the same context, the later sutra is applied, that is general, but here Purva Karyam happens when Nut Agama is ordained by Nasranadya Nut, that will supersede 7173, even though the Parasutram, Nasranadya Nut will apply. Even though 7200 is Parasutram, Nasranadya Nut will apply. And Trijat Bhavaha 7195, 790, so even though it is Para, but still Rudra, I mean, Rasvanadya Nut will apply. This is by this Vartika. This is by this Vartika. So here, in our case, the Numagama comes for the Napumsakalinga Anga when Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows 7173. So between 7173 and application of 7200, There is a now contradiction. Which one will apply? Vipratishede param karyam. Here, you see, if you apply 7 to 100, then it is no more ajadi vibhakti pratyaya. Ajadi, it is no more ikaha, igantanga. So, therefore, and also num being antaranga. Therefore, between these two, you apply num. Num being antaranga, therefore antaranga karya, antarangatvat, num agama is ordained. Okay, parasutra, that is achirarataha cannot be applied. If you apply, then you will not get the rupam also, ishtarupam. And Kashikakara has given Priyatasrini. Therefore, taking is as a pramana. So I apply Iko Achibhakta, 7173. You understand what I'm saying? Between these two, what will apply? The question comes. Priyatasri plus she, you are getting she is E, Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya Pare. Achira Rutaha by that, Repadesha comes. And Iko Achibhakta, Numakama comes. Which one will apply?
Numagama, because it is Antaranga Karya.
It is Antaranga, that's how I take it. And the Pramana is Kashika says Priyatasrini, right? So when he says, you can do it. And here, this Vartika, it is for Nut only. Okay, this is only for Nut Pratishedena. Here, this Vartika, if you see, 7174, Nuttagama is Agama, Antaranga. Iko Chibata also Agama only. So between two Antaranga, Agama, there's a contradiction, right? But what do you apply? By this Vartika, we apply Rasvanati upon Nut only. The question will come, both are Antaranga, both are Agama only. Why don't we apply Num? That is why this Vartika is. That is why this Vartika. Between Nut and Num, the Num is overruled by Nut, even though it is Purva Sutra. Similarly, for other Repadesha, Trajudbhavaha. So this Vartika is for Nuttakama. Whereas for our condition there, 1, 2 of Napumsakalinga, these two only exist. Repadesha and Numakama. So between them, you can Parasutra, Viprasya Param Karyam, but that doesn't apply for Antaranga. So Num is Antaranga. So therefore, you apply Num directly. Okay. Both are Angakarya only. 7173, 7200, both are Angakarya. But between Angakarya, there's a difference. This is Num is Antaranga. So, because that will become Tadguni Bhutaha Bhavati. It will change the property of the Anga itself. It is so once you ordain Num, it becomes Alanta. And Repadesha is ordained to the Rikara when followed by Ach. When Repadesha is ordained, the Numakama cannot be applied. The Numi being Antaranga, that should be applied. After the application of that, if you can apply this, you can apply, but not applicable. So for 7 to 100 is ruled out, cannot be applied. That's how I take it. And I take also Kashika as a Pramana. He has given the form Priyatasrini. So that is applied. Okay. So there is a Pramanam for me to say this. Kashika, that's why I referred to Kashika. That form is given, Priyatasrini. I go by the form. You understand?
Yes.
So Priyatasra plus she is E, therefore Iko Achibhakto by that Numagava. Antaranga Karyatvat 7173 is applied. Otherwise, what will happen? 7 to 100 will apply. If Numagama is not there, 7 to 100. Numagama is important to be applied. Okay.
Yes.
I hope it is clear.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. Then Priyatasrini or simply take Kashika. I check the form. Kashika Kara gives Priyatasrini Brahmana Kulam. Okay, that's a Rupam. Priyatasrini is a Rupam, final form. Right? So taking that as to be the Pramana, you can do the reverse work. So therefore you get this. Then Priyatas 3 plus just Tranasana Pratyaya. So, just Sashoho, Shihi, therefore E here also. Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya. So therefore, first is 3 is replaced by Tisr because it is 3 Jyotiridam Vartate, therefore Tisr. Here also, you should not replace it by Repa. 7 to 100 cannot be applied because Napumsakasya Jalachaha will apply. Napumsakasya Jalachaha.
Yeah, Numagama.
Yeah, Napumsakasya Jal and Achaha. Sorry, here also 7173. Ikochi Bhakta, not Napumsakasya. Ikochi Bhakta. Ikochi Bhakta, that is Napumsakasya, Igantasya, Angasya, Numaha Bhavati, Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare. Right? So you get Num. So Priyatisrin. Then Vartikam is that 841. It precedes Nakara, Padanta Nakara, replace it by Mudanakara, Priyatisrani. So Rupam is Priyatisra, Priyatisrani, Priyatisrani. Like Dat, Datrani, Datrani. That's why it's an Apumsakalim. Only thing is 3 is replaced by Tisra. Otherwise, Rupam is same as Apumsakalinga Shabda. So Priya 3 plus Datra, Datrani, Datrani. So here also will become Swanapums. What will happen to will become Luk. Right? 7-1.
So
Swanapumsakata. Of course, 3 is replaced by Tisra. Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare. And 3 is Stri Jyotaitum Vartate. Therefore, replace it by Tisra. And then Sumor Napumsakataluk goes away. So Priyatisra. So Pratama and Dvitiya same Rupam. Priyatisrani, Priyatisrani. Priyatisrani, Priyatisrani, Priyatis. Then Bhagavachanam, yeah, you can see Numakama comes. And Numakama by Ikochi Vibhakta, 7173.
and then Sarvanamasthane Chasambuddha Dirgha.
Dirghatam will come. See, Nakara is there. So Nakara se Upadayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. Okay, Dirghatam. I missed out. Dirghatishvi Dirghatam. Right? Priyatasrani, Tisrani to be. Right?
Yeah.
By what sutra? This is, I think, before I should write this.
Yes. After Ikochi Vibhakta.
Saranamastane Pratyaya Pare Nana Upadayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. So here I will write one step. I think I missed out that one. Yet Tisrani should be. Okay. Dirgha. Listen, it is Sarvanamastane cha Sambuddha no Padayaha Dirghatam Bhavati. Here also Pratama, I think I missed out there also. Here Tisrani. After Ikochi Bhakta, then we have to apply this. No Padayaha Dirghatam. This is by the Sutra Sarvanamastane cha Sambuddha 6, 4,
4-8.
8 will apply. Then he can do Natto.
Natvam will be the last step. Sir.
Yeah, last step. Natto. So this is 6 for 8. Then Priya 3 plus Ta. 3 will be replaced by Tisra, Priya Tisra plus A. So what will happen? Priya Tisra plus A.
This
Tritiya
is
Ekavachanam.
Ango Nastriyam will become.
Ango Nastriyam will not come. Ango. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Ango Nastriyam will not come. Ango Nastriyam. It is for Ang na Astriyam. Astriyam Vishaya. But it is
For Dhatru
Yes.
Shabda Napumsakalinga, he has given this one, sir.
yeah, sorry, yeah, okay. Dhatra, Dhatrani, Dhatrani, Dhatra, Dhatrani, Dhatrini, then Dhatrana. Yes, Anganastriyam will come. Yes, you're right. I have written Anganastriyam. That is, but here Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. Anganastriyam, what is the number?
I'm gonna 73120.
73120. Yeah, Ango Nastriyam. That should come. So by that you'll have the form. One.
And also one more form he has given for Dhatru Shabda, sir, in Tritiya, Chaturthi and all. Two forms have given for Dhatru Shabda, Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. I think one is by Ango Nastriyam, other one is no, just eco-energy.
Yeah.
So two forms are given. I have taken eco-energy directly. I have not taken Ango Nastriyam. That is why I was little thinking. I have just taken eco-energy and this. Which one apply? This will supersede. Therefore, this applied. It is Ra. Same as
Maybe
Pullinga.
this is Samastapada, so we have to take only one form, or anything is there like that. Because there
No.
Dhatru he has given. Here it is Samastapada.
No, Ango Nastriyam also you can apply. Ango Nastriyam, if you apply, you will get Priyatisra, Tisrana. Yes, two forms will be there. In let me just think it's a good point actually. Napumsakalinga we have two form and Pullinga only one form. Yeah, because Ango Nastriyam, Astriyam it is applied, eco energy. Therefore, one minute, Ango Nastriyam. Yeah, let us see. Ango Nastriyam. Napumsakalinga is given two forms, 7-3, 120. Ango Nastriyam. Pullinga Napumsakalinga 7-3, 120. Gi Sanyakat. Parasya Tritiya Ekavachanasya Ta Pratyasya Na Adesha Bhavati. Should be Gi Sanya. So what is the Gi Sanya? Gi Sanya Sheshaha Gi Asaki. So therefore Gi Sanya is applicable for other than what has been discussed. Therefore Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda. It is for Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda, right? Pullinga Napumsakalinga, Gi Sanya. So Gi Sanya is applicable for Ikaranta Ukaranta, right? Not for Rikaranta. Rikaranta doesn't come under the category. But Avi has given that form, one word form. Gi Sanya means, therefore, Gi Sanya ka Shabdasya, Pullinga Napumsakalinga Shabda Parasya, Ta Pratyas Na Adesha Bhavati. Gi Sanya. So Gi Sanya means it is Varina is okay, Madhuna is fine. So Vari Shabda Karantaha Napumsakalinga if you take. Varina, Angonastriyam. Madhuna, Angonastriyam. Whereas for Rikaranta Shabda, Dhatrina, the form is not seen. I don't know. I have not seen that form, but in the website it is given. This is what check. Okay. How Napumsakalinga, you will have two forms. Dhatra is the only form. From Tritiya onwards, same as Dhatrina, the Rupam. Ango Nastriyam, if he says, it is Rikaranta Shabda. It doesn't have Gi Sanya at all. Okay, then we applies to check. Or maybe the mistake. Okay, this is just we are discussing only this Rikaranta Shabda, nothing to do with our Priyatri. Gehe Uttarasya Ang Na Bhavaha Astriyam Agnina Vayuna Patuna Pumsi Iti Na Uttam Amuna Brahmanuklena. Okay, Jena Tritiya Bhavaha. Okay. So you will have only one form as I know. Dhatra is a Rupam. In Pullinga as well as Tritiyadeshu Bhashita Pumskam Pumba Gavalasya.
That is there, sir. Rukarantaha Napumsakalingaha Sarve Bhashita Pumsakaha. So Adanal that Gisanya maybe.
Gisanya cannot come because it is not Ikaranta Ukaranta, right? Gisanya is applicable only for Ikaranta. Sheshaha Gisa Asaki, right?
Yeah.
Shesho Asaki. Shesho Asaki says, see, Saki Shabdam Varjayitva, Anya Rasvaikaranta Ukaranta. Where is the question of Gisanya for Rikaranta? So, therefore, this second form, this form, this is one. This I doubt. Okay, this Rupam. I don't know how we are written. Let me check that. Okay, Datrana, whether this form is there. I have not seen that. Tatra only is there, just eco energy. So I take that alone. In fact, when I did, I was thinking this. So I take that alone. So Priyatri plus Ta. So Priyatisra plus 7 to 99. And eco energy and between this 7 to 100 will overrule. Eco energy Sandhi, but this is Angakarya, therefore Priyatisra. So same as the Pullinga, originally what we did. Okay. Understand?
Maybe because that is for their Bhashita Pumsakaha. So therefore both forms we have to write. Pullinga form and Napumsakalinga form.
I have to check. Okay. But he doesn't enjoy that's okay. Bhashita Pumska fine. But what about Gisanya? Anganastiram is applicable only for Gisanya, right? Gisanya Shabda. Ango Nastriyam is applicable only for Gisangika Shabda. You see, it itself says Ango Nastriyam is Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, Gisanya. Now we are discussing Rikaranta. How does Rikaranta enjoy Gisanya? Rikaranta doesn't enjoy Gisanya at all. Therefore, Datrana, the Rupam itself, I doubt. Okay. That I will check and tell you. Datrana, which should not be. I take only Datra. From the Shabda Manjari and all, we just know that Tritiya Bhakti, same as Pullinga, we have seen, right? So, similarly, I take Datra to be the form. Datrana, as of now, we will suspend that. We don't have to do that. It is not Gisanya, first of all. Therefore, the form itself, I doubt. If that is so, Datrana is there, then why you stop that for Pullinga? Pullinga also should come, right? Pullinga also, the form, two forms should be there, but it is not, only one form, Datra. Right?
The only Napumsakalinga Shabdas are can be in both the things. Like
How?
Pullinga.
By what? By some reason, right? What is the reason? Angonastiram cannot be applied, I'm saying. You cannot apply Angonastiram. For that, the Anga requires to be the Gisanya. So you should enjoy Gisanya. That's Gisanya. Therefore, just eco energy. In the case of the Sikaranta. But in our case, it is not eco energy. Eco energy being Sandhikarya, and 7 to 100 will overrule the Sandhikarya. Therefore, replacing by Repa, Priyatisra is the Rupam what we get. Same as what we have done for Srilinga and Apumsakalinga. Okay.
Yes.
Then Priyatri plus Bhyam, Priyatisra Bhyam, Priyatri plus Bihi, Priyatisra Bihi. 3 is, please note, the 3 is Srilinga. Priyatri plus Nye, Priyatisre. Then Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha, Priyatri plus Nasi. 3 is replaced by Tisra, 7 to 19, 7 to 100 applied. Priyatisraha, Priyatisrabhyam, Priyatisrabhyaha, then Priyatisraha, Priyatisroho, Tisra, Tisranam. Okay. 3 replaced by Tisra, and then by Vartika, Rasvanadhya Purva Sutra will apply, then Natvam. No Pradirgatvam. Then Priyatisri, Priyatisroho, Priyatisrashu. Same as what we have said before. Then Sambodhana. Sambodhana, what will happen? The Su follows, therefore 3 replaced by Tisri. After that, Su will become Summa Napumsaka Taluk only, right?
Yeah.
Same. Su and Nam become look. And Priyatisrani here, the Pada Dirgatvam happens 7173 by that Iko Chibakto, by that Numakama Krutva. Then the next step is 648 will apply, applying that Priyatisra 648 Pada Dirgatvam. Priyatasra, then Priyatasrani, then Priyatasrani. Okay, this is the Rupam. So this is the form. Priyaha, sorry, not this is form. Priyaha, Tisraha. Priyaha, yeah, this is a form. Priyaha, Tisraha. This is the form. Priyaha, Tisraha. This is, okay, I have not written, okay. Here, I have written for Pullinga. For Srilinga, for this Shabda is not summarized. Okay. So don't confuse with this. Otherwise, I will do one thing. Let's copy this. I put it. This is the summary. Okay. Priyaha, Tisraha. This is Srilinga. Yasya tat kulam, Priyatri. So Rupam is this Priyatasra, 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 Priyatasrani, then Priyatasrani. Dirgatvam. Then Priyatasra, Priyatasrabhyam, Priyatasrabhi, Priyatasre, Priyatasrabhyam, Tasrabhyaha, fine. And here also, the Dirgatvam, Priyatasrani. So, Priyaha, Tisraha, Yasetat. Then, if the compound, three Shabda is Pullinga. And Samasta Padasya Lingam, if it is Napumsaka Linga, then it will be Priyaha, Treyaha, Yasetat. Now, here, how do you decline this Shabda? Ikarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Priyatri Shabdaha. How do you decline? Like what Shabda? Do you follow, all of you, or confused? I told you in the last class, you please go through this document, okay? How do you decline the Priyatri? It is Harisha, it is a Vari Shabda, but
Vari Shabda.
simple, Vari, because nothing to do with the three. Three is Pullinga. So Vari, Varini, Varini. So Priyatasra, Priyatasrani, Priyatasrani. Okay, this is Dirgha. Then Varina. Here Varina is Angonastriyam, but here Angonastriyam, that doesn't, Angonastriyam will you apply or Vijadi Vikti Pratyay Pare. Angonastriyam is, in fact, this is okay, this is wrong. Okay, I have not done this, sorry. This form is not Priyatasra. This Rupam I have not done. I left out. I thought of doing it, the class. I think I have not done, sorry. This is to be filled. Now you tell me I will do it. Priyatri is there. Then how do you decline? I have not done this. Okay. Priyaha, Treyaha, Yasya Tat. Then the declension would be?
It's an Napumsakalinga.
It's a Priyatri only. you will get,
Priyatri.
no?
Priyatri. Then
Priyatrini.
it is Napumsakalinga. Priyatrini. Then Priya
Trini. Trini.
Trini. Okay, Priyatrini. This is I just copy pasted, not that because I don't know. I don't remember what I did left incomplete. You can check Chatur also I have not done. Halfway I did, and then I left it. Then from here you can apply Angonastya. Okay. Then here will be Priya 3 plus
Priyatrina.
Ritrina.
then Priya
Tripyam.
Priyatribhyam.
Tripyam.
Tribyam
Priyatribihi.
Priyatribihi.
Bihi.
Priyatribhyaha. Chaturthi Ekavachana would be Varine.
Priyatrine.
Priyatrine.
Here Priyatrinaha. Panchami Ekavachanam Shashti. Then
Trinaha.
Priyatrinoho, right? Varinoho. Then Priya. This Varinam, right?
Yeah.
Upada Dirgottam Bhavati, right? Upada Dirgottam. Priyatrinam, right? Just check Varin. Varin Shabda is Vari Shabda plus Am Pratyaya Pare and Iko, no, Am Pratyaya Pare. Nutakamalkam, Rastanadya upon Nut. Then Nami Pare Upada Dirgottam. Varinam, yes. So Priyatrinam, right? Vari Shabda is easy, I hope you remember. Vari plus Am. Vari is Ikaranta Rasva. Therefore, Nuttakama will come. Vari plus Nam. Then Nami pare Dirghatam. Vari Nam. So Priyatri Nam. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
7-1 will be Priyatrini. Priyatrini. Priyatrinoho. Priya.
Trishu.
Varishu. Priyatrishu. Priya.
No, Sharanji. Priyatrini, that it is Priyatinaha, it is there in 4-5-1. Priyatrinaha, no? There.
Yeah. Priyatrinaha. Yeah.
Even 4-1 also.
Everywhere, sir. That one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Change it, please. Priyatri, Priyatrina. Yes. Sambodhana would be Evari, E Priyatri. Then E Priyat. Evari, Evarini,
Priyatrini.
Priyatrini,
Priyatrini.
Priyatrini. This is like Varishabda. Then next one, I think this also, I didn't do it. Priyani, Trini, Yasya Tat. It is same as other one. Just. Okay. This is also like the previous one. I remove this. This is same as this one. The same as this.
Kshamyatam, Sharanji. 6-3 is what? 6-3 is Trayanam or Trinam?
It's a good point. Yeah, Triyanam. That we have to apply Trestrayaha. Yes. It's point.
Yeah,
Triyanam.
because
Yes.
we have applied.
Yes. That is for that we have to apply Trestrayaha.
Priyati-trine irukku, Sharanji.
Sorry?
Priyati-trine, Priyati-trinaha, like that.
Priyat-
There. So 3 has to be removed.
Yes, sorry. Yeah.
Priyat-trine.
Priyatrinaha, right? Okay. Then Priya Trini, then Priyatri. Okay. T is extra is remove it.
3-4,
Yeah.
3-2-4-2.
Okay, everywhere it is like that. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we
Priyatribhya.
need to.
Yes. Okay, I'll remove that. Priyatribhyam, Priyat. Here it is Priyat Trinoho. Here also Priyat Trinoho. Okay. Here Priyat Trini and here also Priyat Trini. Priyatribhyaha. Okay. Not okay. This is I didn't remove the Priyatrini. Okay. I think we have done all right. All the forms we have done. Then the next is this is Dhyaha, Triyaha. What is this? This is okay. This is not required. This already we have done. We have done all the shabdas. So this is deleted. Chatur is your homework. Huh? I've done enough. Okay, you have to try. Chaturdam shabda, same way you try. All this 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 possibilities. Okay, I've done some. Please go through this. We'll see next class. Okay. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You please see this, the treatment of Chatur Shabda. Here you will have Chatur will be replaced by Chatasra. In other place it will not. So you can try. And here I myself have doubt, therefore I left it halfway. Please you do it. If you come across the form, let me know. Try this. It will be really challenging. Try this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhanyavada. I'll send this document again, updated one.
Yeah.
Just see
Yeah.
any mistakes or other typos, let me know. See, this is here it's not something very important. This is just to make our buddhi sharp, nothing else. Okay. Whatever we study, whether our understanding is correct or not, it is the stani nikana nyaya only. Shaking our understanding and making it steady. So Gi Sanya and load came Gi Sanya, Nadi Sanya. So that also will be clarified.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Sharanji.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyawad.
I think no